Para sa'yo, sir. The only one that I desire. When we touch, when we're one, you light the fire. The seasons we share, there seems to be no time. Each day becomes a balance. Give my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I've tried to find. Motera nga. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. Sayo tayo. Sabi mo? Album mo. Talaga ba? Para sa kanya to eh. Is that you realize you'll always be beautiful? Salamat. In my eyes. O, mag-emote ka naman ba? O, emote! Emote! Tingin sa malayo. She's faced the hardest times you could imagine. And many times her eyes brought back the tears. Tumingin ka sa malayo, ma'am. Tapos uupo ka ulit. And when we wait for you, each time I stand the shoulders for the weight. Sumulong naman sa inong mama. Yata mo tayo formula na. Okay na yan. That only she can hear, so she goes. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's shy. Let the rain fall down on her. Ayun talaga, oh! She may be the face I can't forget, trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. Ba't parang balanta na yung ano natin, ano, roast natin? Kailangan ng dilig. Many 100 different things. Salamat, ma'am. Medyo conservative si ma'am, ha? Parang kailangan at lang. Thank you very much. Salamat po. She may be the reason I'm alive, the why and wherefore I'm alive, the one I care for through the rough and already hears me. I'll take the laughter and the tears. Iniisip ko na kung anong gagawin eh. Nakabantay yung security eh. Where she goes again. Should I be careful, sir? No, this song is really meant for her because you see the lyrics here. She is so beautiful. Diba? To me. Oh, you are so beautiful. Sasayaw kami, ha? To me. Can't you see? Hindi nyo nakita yun, ha? Hinalikan ko lang. Everything that I need. You are so beautiful to me. Palakpakan niya yung pinakahuling finalist. Kasi mag-e-emote na yan, diba? Mag-emote ka na. Flowers for you. Grabe naman tong rose mo, tignan mo, oh. Oo, paano to? Of all the roses, di ba? May nagagawa tayo dyan. Hindi na lang ako makakanta, di ba? Palakpakan po natin ang VIP and very important persons, prince and princesses of Edmonton. Thank you guys, maraming salamat. Thank you guys for being such a good sport. Thank you. Ayan, magti-trip to Jerusalem na tayo. Takbo! Nasya pa, I'm just kidding. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you. Thank you. Loving you, just a bit of mine. It's been quite a while. You really kept me wanting you. You've got some style, so beautiful, so warm, so deep. Stay with me tonight. Let me play the part of you, that kind of love forever new. The dream that you have made reality. Everybody, sing with me. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies, and my only prayer is that you realize you're always beautified. You will always be. Come on, wave your hands, everyone. Beautiful in my eyes, and the passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes, and the passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes. Thank you po! Ayan, special thanks po sa Connect FM 101.7 Awit OPM DJ Cham. Maraming pong salamat. Nasaan kayo, sir?